are standing here at the Mopane tree, and the Mopane is one of the most common trees around here. We are situated in the so-called Mopane belt, and usually we think trees are static, but that's not the case. If you look at the Mopane, for example, morning and evening the leaves are like that. In lunchtime, when the sun is high up, they close. They orientate themselves like that in the sun to have minimal exposure to the sun, minimal evaporation. So they are moving. Another thing is trees also communicate, and that is by building up more tannin when they are eaten. The leaves are getting more bitter, and then the animal that browses on them moves away to a tree that is not so bitter. And since that goes through the air as well, usually animals eat against the wind because the tree upwind hasn't got the message yet.